Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this fluffy carrot cake. So stay tuned, let's get right into the video. And the list of the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box below. I will first of all go ahead and start peeling off the skin of the carrots. I'm using 4 medium carrots here. And once I'm done peeling off the skin of the carrots, I will start grating it. Meanwhile, you can use this type of food processor to grate your carrots. It makes your work easier and faster. But if you don't have this type, go ahead and use this. It's the same thing, okay? And if you're new to my channel, you are much welcome. If you keep coming back, thank you so much. You are well appreciated. May God bless each and every one of you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share out the video if you find it interesting. Also leave your comments below. I'm done grating the carrots and I'll also be using some fruits. I have some salt, baking soda, vanilla essence. I have some sugar. Meanwhile, you can use any type of sugar, whether it's brown sugar, but I'll be using this sweetener as my sugar. The measurements of all the things I use for this cake will be in the description box below. I also have some nuts, nutmeg. You can go ahead and use cinnamon if you don't have nutmeg. And I'm making use of 4 medium eggs. And over here is my flour. And I'll be making use of vegetable oil. You can make use of melted butter as well. Here is my baking pan which I'll be using. I will go ahead and spread some baking oil on it so that it will be ready before I'm done mixing the cake batter. I'll be placing the baking pepper on it. Meanwhile, this cake is a very soft cake, but if you want yours to be hard, for those that love hard cake, you can increase the quantity of flour. I will go ahead and preheat the oven now before I start mixing the ingredients. I normally lock my oven because of my kids, so now I will go ahead and start mixing the dry ingredients. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and share out the video. Also try out the recipe and let me know what you think about it. I will combine everything together, then I will set it aside, go over and mix the wet ingredients. First I will add the oil, add the sugar and start mixing. I'm mixing on a high heat, and once I'm done combining it, I start throwing in the eggs one after the other. After putting the eggs, I will add in the dry ingredients. I divide it into two. I will add the first batch, combine it together with my spatula because I don't want to over mix this. Then once I'm done combining it, I will add the second batch. I will combine it together very well. Then I will use my mixer, set it on the least energy because I don't want this to over mix. So I will be setting it on the least and I will just mix it just few seconds, then it's ready. I will add in the carrots, add in the nuts and the fruits. I almost forgot the vanilla essence. Then I add in like 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Stir and combine everything properly well, just like so. Once you are done combining it, throw it inside your baking pan. Guys, I made this for my birthday. My birthday was this month, 17th October. And I made this at night when I came back from work because I worked that day. I baked this for 40 minutes. The inside is still a bit wet, so I'll be covering it with the foil and I pop it for more 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I brought it out again and it was ready. So I'll be bringing it out from the pan now. Ta-da! The cake is ready. I go ahead and flip it because I want to put it in the cake standing. Is it cake standing? I don't know what to call it, but I'll be transferring it here. So this is where I will be cutting it. I normally bake cake every birthday, even if it's my kid, my husband, or me myself is doing birthday. We must bake cake in our house. And that is it for today's video. So fluffy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learn one or two things. Bye.